Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine, but first a joke. How can you tell when a bike is thinking? You can see its wheels turning. Okay, on to the test. So we did a tune-up on this machine, and we replaced the main brewing assembly and calibrated it and replaced deep cleaned the upper screen and replaced the gasket on the upper brew assembly and did an overall deep cleaning of the machine. Lubricated the transmission shaft, cleaned the steam wand. See, it makes a nice shot of espresso. Let's just look in the drip tray. I think this water is from yesterday, hopefully. Because if that's the amount of water in the drip tray after one shot, then it's a lot of water. But I'm hoping that was just from, I'm thinking that was just from when I descaled it yesterday. It's always hard to do this with one hand. Some people say I should use a tripod, makes sense. Alright, and let's pull another shot. I don't want to overfill. Okay, yeah, you can see there's not much water in the drip tray at all. Most of that water is just from the overflow of the shot, so that's great. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Helps if I press the steam button.
That probably was symphony number 102. And another thing, when I look up this stuff, when I try to research it, you can only go so far, and it doesn't give you a lot of scholarship about why I think it was a symphony number 102. Nevertheless, the story is probably true that the hundreds in the Hanover Square room have stopped flowing, so they could get closer with the house and who was conducting from the studio that night, and thank goodness they did. That was a miracle, because the family that we look at this Hanover Square room, you can see the family.
Did we get nice strong steam? The customer didn't bring the bottom part of the steam wand. And so thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.